Hey guys, it's me, Savvy, and I know it's not my typical background. I'm in the car because I had to go to my mom's house to get an egg. Yes, one egg, right here, for dinner tonight. Because I used all my eggs yesterday. But when I got there, I finally got what I've been waiting for, which was my Allure box. So I wanted to unbox it for you as soon as possible. Actually, I'm at Sam's Club, which is where my mom works right now, to wait for her to get off. So I thought, oh, I should unbox it while I'm waiting for her to get off. But I've been waiting for this. So if you ever do subscribe to this box, it takes about 20 days to get your first box. So that's the only thing that I've had an issue with so far. So I was scared that I wasn't going to get it. But yeah, without further ado, I'm going to unbox this for you. Actually, told you raw unedited footage. I'm doing a giveaway right now. So all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, and once I hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away some Tarte products, some NYX products, maybe something that's in here, we'll see. And yeah, so all you have to do is be subscribed, and then comment on the previous video, which is the WTF Kids Toys unboxing video, that way you're entered. But yeah, I thought I'd let you guys know about that giveaway that's going on. So yeah, once I hit 100 subscribers, I'll be sending that to one lucky winner. I'm at 71 right now, so yeah, we're getting there. 29 more people, that's all I'm asking. But yeah, so here is the Allure box. We see we got this little magazine that has this lady on it. She's pretty hair, brow pencils. She's talking about lip products in here, so I guess there's Anastasia Lippy and brow gel, which the brow gel is what is gonna be going to somebody if it's in here, because I don't use brow gel. Then I get this discount 24 gold 1-step pro blowout styler, redeemable at Hot Tools, valued at $74. So discount code, free ground shipping. So I don't know. I'll have to see if that's just cheaper or what, but it looks kind of scary. I don't know if I would use that. All right, let's open her up. Wow, okay, so we have this Way hair care texturizing spray. It's hair texturizing spray. Let's see. Oops. I probably should not have sprayed that in my car. I'm sorry. That smells interesting. I don't know. I don't really like the way that smells. Yuck. But that's okay. Then we got the clear brow gel. So that's going to be going in my giveaway. So just make sure I get to 100 subs and this could be yours. Then I get this liquid lipstick in Rouge, but it's from Anastasia. So I only own 2 of their palettes, and I'm pretty sure they're fake palettes. Because, yeah, I was buying one on eBay. So there's the color. That's pretty.
You sprayed that in my car.
Swatch it.
You sprayed that in my car.
I did. I'm sorry. She's like, you sprayed that in my car. So that's the color. It's like a purpley plum color. I like it. I really do. I really like that color. It's gorgeous.
Can
we what?
Can we go right?
Then I got this magic eraser. What in the world? Makeup. Remember, erase makeup with just water. So you wet it, you exfoliate, and you erase. So I guess this erases waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, makeup, and more. So that's interesting. I've never had one of these, so I don't know how this works. Next is this Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. Non-something, safe for sensitive skin. Apply as needed throughout the day. So nice. It's a nice full size of facial moisturizer. Probably like, sorry it took 20 days. Here you go. I feel bad, so I'm going to add something extra. It's probably what it was, because it did. It took forever. And last but not least is this. And this is what I am most excited about is Moonchild Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Ooh, I'm so excited. Wow. There's the colors. I'm going to swatch it. There's blue ice. Star. I'm horrible with swatches. Purple horseshoe. I'm going to show you as soon as I'm done. Pink heart. Lucky clover. Ooh, that one's really nice. And blue moon. That lucky clover one is nice. It's green, but it's very pigmented. Alright, and here, I know I'm horrible at swatches, I'm sorry, but there's my, you can see them in the sun. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's my swatches. I like the green one, but yeah, so that is my Allure box, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I got all of this because when you join it, you get, it's $10 to start, and then it's $15. So, I mean, I got all of this for $10 with free shipping. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure this alone is more than $10. So, it's worth it. It's just the 20 days I had to wait, which kind of sucked, but yeah, so that was my Allure box. Make sure you enter the giveaway for your chance to get that brow gel. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, guys.